What would it be like to learn to do a vector art like this today? Isn't that great? Then, let's start our work. First, I am going to draw a line as a surface. Increase the stroke. Here, we have to change the color of the line. Now when we change the color, the line disappears because it was a stroke, and also when we change the eyedropper, that layer was a solid. So, the color has become a fill, and now we change it to a stroke. Now we make a triangle with polygon tool. Here we have a triangle. Place this in the line. Make this triangle larger. Now, duplicate this layer. Now we need to make this triangle a little smaller. It's okay. Make these two a little stretch, like this. I changed the color of both of these. For this, both should be given shades. For that, I am duplicating one of these. Now, make a rectangle for half of it using the rectangle tool. Now it can be cut into using the pathfinder on the right. If you can't see it in your Illustrator, go to Windows and enable it. Now it will be seen as a group. Ungroup it and delete everything you don't need. Now change its color and place it on top of the triangle. Yes, it's okay. Do the same in this one. Now let's make trees. Create a circle for it. Stretch the top like this using the direct selection tool. Now draw a rectangle for the tree trunk. Create shades for this with Pathfinder as we did before. Make shades for this too. We didn't want this to be the color of the trees, so I change it. Now it can be duplicated to individual locations, some small and some large. Move this tree to back of the hill. This too. Now is the time to make clouds. Create a circle for it. Now it should duplicate to its left side. Slightly smaller. Now cut out the bottom part used by Pathfinder. Do not select two circles, only one. I am selecting the largest one here. Do the same. Duplicate it to create its shades. This too. Sorry, we're not creating shade from here, so I duplicate and move this. Delete this. Now let us create shades using Pathfinder. We forgot to change the color. Do for this too. Now you can only see the shade of the cloud. We will get it right. Yes, it's okay. Now, set a background so we can see clouds and also it'll improve beauty of the image. Draw like this. Sorry, something went wrong here. We're trying to fix it with scissors tool. Yes, we got this. Give it a gradient this. Do the same with the gradient tool. Change the color by clicking here. Now tap for eyedropper tool and pick a color. You can also change color like this. Opacity of white color should be 0. Adjust the gradient with gradient tool. Isn't there something to fix here? Let me fix that. Here, we got this. Now is the time for us to break up, but hopefully we will see you again in the next video. So as not to forget us, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.